Hi, I'm Bruce Rubin, and I'm here to tell you all I know about the Lens Shark. This is a Lens Shark. It's got two jaws, one on the front for removing lenses and one on the back for inserting lenses. Now, the way it works, it's kind of like a bottle opener. We are working with eyeglass frames and lenses, so it's important to protect your materials when you're doing the work. So you take a cleaning cloth, double fold, fold it over, and then wrap it around the frame, and you just take your Lens Shark and pop it out, and the lens comes right out of the frame. You want to put it back in. You get it most of the way by hand, and then we wrap it up and pop it in just like that. And that's pretty much the essence of it. Again, it doesn't work on every single frame you encounter, but when you do need it, it comes in really handy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your new Lens Shark.